Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of client data? You know, when you're staring at your jobber screen and you see John Smith Main Street, and then, oh wait, John Smith Elm Avenue, and then, just for good measure, John Smith Smith Construction? You're thinking, hold on, I know this guy. It's all the same John. And you're left wondering, how do I untangle this mess? Yeah, me too. It's a common problem, especially as your business grows. You're adding clients, your team is adding clients, and sometimes those little duplicates slip through the cracks. Maybe a typo crept in, or someone created a new client entry instead of updating an existing one. Whatever the reason, those duplicate entries can lead to a real headache. Imagine sending the wrong invoice to the wrong address, or scheduling a service at the wrong location. Not ideal, right? That's where the magic of merging clients in Jobber comes in. It's like a digital spring cleaning for your client list, helping you streamline your data and keep everything organized. But before we dive into the how, let's talk about why. Why is merging clients so important? First, it's about accuracy. Having a single, unified client profile ensures that all your information is correct and up to date. This means fewer errors, fewer headaches, and a more professional image for your business. Think about it. A client who receives the correct invoice at the correct address on time is a happy client. And happy clients are the foundation of any successful business. Second, it's about efficiency. When you have a clean and organized client list, you can find the information you need quickly and easily. No more wasting time searching through multiple entries or trying to figure out which address is the right one. This saves you time, which you can then reinvest in growing your business. Third, it's about better reporting. When your data is accurate, your reports will be accurate too. This gives you a clearer picture of your business performance, allowing you to make informed decisions and track your progress. So, how do we tackle this problem? How do we merge those duplicate clients in Jobber and bring order to the chaos? Let's get right into it. The first step is identifying the duplicate clients. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to be thorough. Look for clients with similar names, addresses, or phone numbers. Pay close attention to any minor variations, such as typos or different address formats. Jobber's search function can be your best friend here. Use keywords like the client's name, phone number, or address to find potential duplicates. Once you've identified the duplicates, it's time to choose the master client. This is the client profile that you want to keep. It should ideally be the most complete and accurate profile with the most up-to-date information. Think of it as the source of truth for that client. Now, here's where the magic happens. In Jobber, navigate to the client profile you want to keep as the master client. Look for the More Actions or Edit button, usually located at the top right of the client's profile. Click on it, and you should see an option that says Merge Client. Clicking Merge Client will open a new window or pop-up. Here, you'll be prompted to search for the duplicate client that you want to merge into the master client. Enter the name or other identifying information of the duplicate client and select it from the search results. Jobber will then present you with a summary of the merge, showing you which information will be transferred from the duplicate client to the master client. This is your chance to review the merge and make sure everything is correct. Pay close attention to the addresses, phone numbers, and other contact information. If you're satisfied with the merge, click the Merge button. Jobber will then combine the two client profiles, transferring all the relevant information from the duplicate client to the master client. The duplicate client profile will be deleted, and all its associated jobs, invoices, and other data will be moved to the master client. It's important to note that merging clients is a permanent action. Once you've merged two clients, you cannot undo the merge. Therefore, it's crucial to double-check everything before clicking the Merge button. Now, let's talk about some best practices for merging clients. First, always back up your data before merging clients. While Jobber is a reliable platform, it's always good to have a backup in case something goes wrong. You can export your client data to a CSV file as a backup. Second, communicate with your team. Make sure everyone on your team is aware of the client merging process and understands the importance of maintaining accurate client data. This will help prevent future duplicates from being created. Third, regularly review your client list. Schedule time each week or month to review your client list and identify any potential duplicates. This will help you stay on top of your data and keep it clean and organized. Fourth, utilize Jobber's features effectively. Take advantage of Jobber's search function, filtering options, and reporting tools to help you identify and merge duplicate clients. Fifth, take advantage of the notes section. If you are merging two clients that had drastically different notes, consider taking the most important notes from the deleted client and adding them to the master client's notes section. Sixth, if there are outstanding invoices on both clients, ensure you understand how those invoices will be handled during the merge. Sometimes it's best to resolve outstanding invoices before merging to avoid confusion. Seventh, if you're dealing with a large number of duplicate clients, consider breaking the merging process into smaller chunks. This will make it more manageable and less overwhelming. Eighth, if you are unsure about any part of the process, utilize Jobber's help features and support. They have a multitude of articles and a support team that can help you with the process. Ninth, remember that merging clients is not just about cleaning up your data. It's about improving your overall business efficiency and providing a better experience for your clients. 10th, keep in mind that the process might look slightly different depending on the version of Jobber you are using. Always make sure to look for updates in Jobber's support documentation. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your client data is accurate, organized, and up-to-date. This will save you time, reduce errors, and improve your overall business performance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.